Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we have a review and install of the Mopar Fuel Door in matte black, fitting your 08 and newer Dodge Challengers. This is perfect for the Challenger owner who wants to ditch the chrome of their factory fuel door, but wants an OE replacement with a nice black finish. This fuel door is a genuine Mopar part, so it features that OE fit, but with that upgraded black finish. It features durable aluminum construction with a matte black finish and the OE fuel lettering for that original Challenger style. It also includes the OE plastic inner housing for your fuel fill and reuses that factory gas cap. So as far as price goes, this option comes in at just under $200, making it a budget-friendly appearance upgrade, and for your money you are getting that OE fit with the upgraded black finish. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up install and can be done within 30 minutes. So with that said, let's check out the install. For this install, you may want a pop clip removal tool. Alright, so in order to get this entire piece uninstalled, you need to go in through the wheel well, underneath the wheel well liner, and there are several plastic clips that you just pop out by hand to release it. Now before you do that, you do have to remove the fuel cap itself, and for those of you who are lowered, you might find this a bit challenging and may want to remove the wheel or jack up your car. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, remove this cap and set it aside, and then we'll go in through the wheel well. Now this may be hard for you guys to see, but what you're going to do is just feel around the edges, and you'll feel some tabs. What you're going to do is push in on those tabs. While you're pulling up. And once you've released each of the clips around the outside, you need to release this rubber ring around the inside. And what you're going to do is just pull back and pull it out. Now what we need to do is transfer over this fuel cap, and to do that you're just going to release it from this point right here. To do that, you'll use a pop clip removal tool. Using your pop clip removal tool, go ahead and pop this out. All right, so now that we have our factory fuel door uninstalled from our car, we can check it out side by side with our new one here. Now, as you guys can see, the biggest difference is that matte black finish on our new door. It's really gonna give you that blacked out style that you're going for with your Challenger. Now this is a Mopar part, so it's gonna have the exact same fit as your factory and the exact same styling as well. So think of it as an OE replacement with a bit of an upgrade. So with that said, let's go ahead and finish up our install. Now we can install it into the new housing. You'll see there's an opening right exactly in the OEM location. So you're gonna take that tab and just go ahead and press it into place. Now we can get it installed on the car. Now you can install the new one. Go ahead and line that rubber gasket up with the fuel neck and then press it into place. And once it's all popped in, go ahead and twist the cap in and close your door. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of this fuel door. And remember, for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.